So yesterday we heard from a man whose business was under pressure because it was pretty much just on the very border of the denim town ZOSO. But how will ZOSO affect business? Vashon Brown has been on location.
It's still early days, but business operators just outside the zone of special operations in Denham Town say they've already started to see the effects of the zone of special operations on businesses. The manager of Aziza's Beauty Salon at the corner of Regent Street and the Spanish Town Road, Abiba Hines, says business is slower than usual.
Some of the men that are usually my good customers, I don't see them. So I'm wondering, where are they? But the customers that usually come from other communities, because they say that it's a operation going on, they're a bit skeptical, a little afraid to come out, so we haven't seen those customers either.
In the downtown Kingston business district Coronation Market, not in the zone of special operations, but some vendors say they're still seeing some impact.
It affects us very much. So because a lot of persons don't really want to come down here, because once it has anything to do with curfew and all of that, they just feel that it's happening in the market. But it's not happening in the market, it's outside. But it's like they're saying that, okay, guess what happened now? If it's nearby, that simply means they don't know what can happen. Anything can just flare anytime at it.
The Coronation Market has in recent times been affected by crime and violence, specifically complaints about frequent robberies. It's why some vendors argue that the market should be part of the zone.
It should go a Coronation Market so shopper can come in, shop in a crime-free environment.
So in recent times, for instance, the crime in the market has been a concern. You think, say, if the zone come here, it will help with them concern there?
It will help, of course. And it will work for everybody, shoppers and vendors.
The one was this a year in target most.
Why you say that?
More when you see violence going on and the market always happen.
But others had a different view.
If the soldier and the police should pass in through and through, it don't no wrong. But as long as them come and curfew the market, the whole Jamaica suffer.
It would affect the sales.
Why?
Because some people coward coming here. So, there's really nothing soldier needed down here. It's all right from the other day.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.